So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a like, and leave a comment to let us know if this type of video interests you. Good. So the panel, first of all, I have a 12-volt battery. If I have a 12-volt battery, it means I need to get a panel, okay, which must have at least here. If I take my battery, normally the charging voltage, the charging voltage of my battery, okay, the charging of the battery, it is 14.4 volts. That is the charging voltage of the battery. This means that if I have to choose a panel, first of all, my panel, it must have a voltage, okay, that will be higher at 14.4 V. So the panels that exist, either I will find a voltage of 18 V or I will find a voltage of 20 V and so on. So I will choose a panel power that will have a voltage, okay? That will be higher than 14.4 volts. So I will take the panel that I will choose. I will take a panel that has a power equal to 220 watts, okay? So this panel has a VOC that is equal to 21.8 volts. So 21.8 volts is higher than 14.4 volts. That means my panel will already be able to charge my battery. That's the first thing. It's the first criterion that you need to choose for your panel. What is the voltage that will be able to charge my battery? I have only one battery. If I had multiple batteries, at that point, I would need to look at the voltage of the batteries that are connected in series. All right. So I have just determined, of course, this voltage. Now, we know very well that normally the VOC, this VOC varies with temperature. So it varies with temperature. This means that if I have an increasing temperature, if the temperature rises, the VOC voltage decreases, right? If the temperature decreases, the VOC increases. So, of course, I need to choose the voltage that will power my regulator with the VOC. The highest one based on the minimum temperature, meaning the minimum temperature of the region where I am located. So, to solve this problem, it's simple. You will simply take the VOC you have here, and you will add 20% to this VOC to slightly compensate for the decrease in your temperature. There you go. That means if I have a VOC of 21.8, I will take at that moment, I will take a VOC, okay, which will be equal to 21.8 multiplied by 1.2. And I will end up with a VOC that will